Was he cute? Go, Riker. You can do it, buddy. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Come on, bud. You're almost there. Oh, he totally just farted. Come on, Riker. Roll over. You can do it. You can do it. Go, go, go. he's so close. Say, go, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go. Go, Riker. No, sis, let him do it. Let him do it. Oh. Come on, buddy. Don't press the button. We're filming him. Come on, Riker. There you go. He's like right on the edge.
It's my too.
Oh.
It's my too.
Caleb, watch out. Scoot over. We're trying to film Riker. Thank you. Okay, watch. Get up. Get up. Let's try to help him. Sis, get up. Get off mommy. Come on. Up, up, up. There we go. Up. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can get him to roll over. Come here, buddy. Come this way. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, Riker. Come on. Come on, buddy. Over here. Come on. Come get your friend. Come on. Caleb, let him do it. He's got to learn. Tanley, come here. You want to help me with the camera? Oh, go, Riker, go. All right, you did it. Good job, buddy. Now just get your arms underneath you. All right. Good job, big boy.